Hello, friends. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, your friend Kumar is again back with a video review of another good college in Karnataka. So, the college is Shri Jaya Chamarajendra College of Engineering, or it's called SJCE, which is the old name of this college, and the new name is now it's called JSS Science and Technology University. So, SJCE or JSS Science and Technology University, based out of Mysore, a very good college. So let's start the review. So this is a very established college, and it started in 1954, and it is run by Jagadguru Sri Shivaratri Deshmukh Maheshanji, and it has a very good focus on technical education between engineering, science, technology, and that's why it has university status. It has actually a very good, being an established college, it has a very good alumni network which works across companies. And some of the notable people, you see here, Javagal Srinath in cricket, or Akhilesh Yadav, who is the Chief Minister of, Uttar Pradesh. So overall, it's a very big college, it's 102 acres, very, 5,500 students are there, part of these things. And there are 17 departments, and this college has a very good, faculty, as well as an MOU signed with different IT companies. So why this college? It's a good infrastructure, 102 acres, facilities, amenities, which is bank, ATM, cafeterias. You have all good laboratories, which is CAT, CAM laboratories, AIML, and the other infrastructure. And apart from that, there's a library, which is a beautiful and a big, to cover all the courses and its related books, and the hostel beds and mess facilities for both boys and the girls. So that's a very good. Then this is some of the pictures of the college. It's 101 acres, so you can understand it's a very big green campus, and the life will be very good here in terms of your environment and studying comfortably. So now coming to the courses which are offered here. So it's like all traditional engineering courses, being a computer science, and there is another branch called computer science and business systems, and apart from that, information science. So three of these related with computers, and then the regular ECE and triple E branches, and the core sector branches like mechanical, civil, biotechnology, all are part of this. Apart from that, polymer and others. And you have a host of postgraduate programs, as well as some on MBA courses. So now coming to the cutoffs, so this is for the KCET, which is the Karnataka domicile students, and see, this is how you get it. This college has a very good, this is the third round, so up to 6,000 rank you will get computer science, and so on. And you see, if you want looking for electronics, and this also close, is very close to 6,600. And that core branches like mechanical could go up to 50 to 70,000, like industrials can. And now this is for the Comet K, that is for the all India students who are looking for studying in Karnataka with the Comet K exam. And this is the third round cutoff. So computer science, information science, you can get up to 8,000, and triple E and electronics up to 9,000. So and that is how the third round cutoff is there. For the other branches, you can still get at 24 to and 50,000, depending on which batch you choose. Now coming to the most important thing, the placement part of it. So placements are quite good. So you see the current year it's around 800 plus 876 students placements which has happened. And if you go by branches, you can see the placements has been constant, good. And it's for computer science 177 students, information science 73 students, and ECE 160, triple E 70. So all of the branches, only you can see that lower branches have a little lesser placements. So overall, the figure remains constant over the years, as I said earlier. So 800 to 850 offers are there. Only problem is that a few of the lower end branches, you should be cautious and seeing placement figures in the previous sheet. Now coming to the highest salaries across branches. So computer science, information science, you see it's like a 33 lakhs and 20 lakhs. EC is also good, 20 lakhs highest salary. But to coming to core branches, mechanical 8 lakhs highest salary, and industrial and production 8.5, and civil engineering the highest salary was 5.5, and polymer 6.5. So that's a, you should be taking in notice. What are the dream companies? You get all the good companies in this campus from Bangalore. It's a Intuit, Cisco, which is a multinational, Origos, the startups, and the system integrations like Cognizant, and Infosys, and the other companies. You get IBM, you get Tyco Electronics, NetApp, and so on. coming to the life, that there's a good host of facilities into the the system, into the your premises itself. So you be the hostel, sports, and other facility. I'll come to this. So as I said, there's a girls' hostel with capability of around 380 girls seats. So this is located part of the college and 3 kilometers from the college. Basically, there's a boys' hostels also, a separate hostel for capacity of 570. So that way, they have multiple blocks. Block 1, block 2, block 3, and the other, and it is well equipped with all the mess, RO, and water facility, internet facility, and parking, etc. Now coming to the sports, as this is a very big, green lush campus, there are sports and facilities also, including gymnasiums, your cricket, volleyball, basketball, badminton, kabaddi courts, and all everything. And there is a festival, student festival is called Jaisinia there, and for this is a very big festival which happens every year in the month of April, and there's a lot of participation. So overall this college is a quite good college, and it's a top two colleges apart from NIE in Mysore, and you should be definitely looking into this. I hope you got most of the information about the college details, placements, everything. And in case you have a further doubt or any other query with respect to cutoffs or those things, please write to me on the comments. I'll reply quickly. And thanks for watching it. And please do subscribe this channel, and also please share with your friends. So that I'll come with more videos soon. Thank you.